it is a serious concern. And so that's something that I talk about on today's blog that was recently. So head on over there and check it out. Is that a little weird? Ugh. Do you ever just wonder if you're getting too old to continue this pursuit of being an actor? Believe me, I get it. I have been there. And I love the words that Ann Dowd spoke in her speech at the 2018 Glamour Women of the Year Summit. She said, "The answers come with the silence, in the quiet. The answers for you and the secrets that are yours alone to know come in the silence." In this article, which I linked to in the blog, she describes how she was in total despair one day in her 30s about getting too old. And a little voice came to her and said, "You're going to be successful. It's going to happen when you're 56. And she completely freaked out and ignored it, right? She's like, "I don't want to wait till I'm 56. And she reflects back on that in an effort to encourage us to enjoy the journey. I also love another piece of advice that Ann Dowd gives. She says, "Trust yourself and trust that there's a place at the table for you." I love this because sometimes it feels like as actors, we're so at the mercy of external factors, but that's not true. It's not about waiting for someone else to hire us. It's not about waiting for someone to give us an audition. It's not about waiting for someone to give us our big break. Ann Dowd's not sitting around thinking, "Oh God, finally somebody gave me my big break at 56. Your humility and your gratitude and your sense of your own faith are factors that are completely under your control. If you want to do this, it doesn't matter how old you are. You got this.